All right, guys, I'm gonna show you real quick how to replace the piston on that K-3 clutch pack. Got a special little tool here, and typically I do this on the ground because I get more leverage. So remember from yesterday, this is a K-3 clutch pack right here. I'm gonna do, I don't know if you can see this little gap right here. We're gonna compress this with this special tool. Which will release it. Hopefully that did it. Well, you can see how long it's been since I've done it because my tools are buried. There, that's the one I'm looking for. Just come here, expand that, take that off just like that, and I'll go back to the floor, release it. That guy. I know it kind of sucks working with not a lot of room, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. We're just gonna walk this piston down. Just like that. I'm just going to inspect it just to see. You know, it looks pretty good. Like I said, I'm not going to take the chance. We're already here and this is a known problem, so it doesn't look like it's sticking out too much. Let me see. See how it's like folded down? You can see the lip on this one. Hopefully you can see the difference. So that's it. Good, how are you? What's going on? What's that? Oh, you know. All right, we should be back at it here. Had a nice little visit. So, what are we doing? I'm gonna put this in. I did pull out my little trans gel here. Lube it up. Remember, in automotive, you want lubrication and vibration are your friends. When you got a frozen bolt or something. Get this guy to slide in. That's it right there. Bam. Now where did my, those weren't the ones. I thought I put them there. They're over there. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in the reverse order. Right, push that down. Got my little spring. gonna put this retainer clip in there so it'll be there. Try to go on the outside this time just to give me a little more room. Can tell by my professional setup here. Yes, I should have more room. And I know I probably shouldn't be doing this at an angle, but at least I know I got the space for it. As in, the snap ring will go into the space. Nothing like pressure of being on camera while you do this, you know. I'll tell you what, I don't think it's ever taken me this long to do it before. Those YouTube nerves. Come on. Come on. Remember, if you're not talking to it, you're not doing it right. Shazam. Or you can't, you don't need to use it at all. Look at that. And that's how we do that. Okay. So, that there's the top. It's gonna go steel, friction, steel, friction. We'll just alternate it just like that. And I saw in the video you couldn't really see the lettering, but it's there. You know what? Pull out a flashlight real quick, see if it'll come up for this one. It's just dark. You see the paint right here, the white lettering? That's how much wear has not happened, because that's still there. Imagine how gradually that pulse width modulation is locking it up so smoothly that it doesn't even wear the paint off of it. As they would say, pretty good. Now, what I do with it is this one. Bam. Okay, make sure your bearings here. Again, make sure that's lined up. And looky there. All right, So now I'm gonna go to time warp, and I'm just gonna go through this thing and throw it back together, so it'll be ready for tomorrow to install. So I'm just gonna put you over there. You can watch me just go at it, and we'll go from there. All right.